Stop by and take a look at the 2026 CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, rear window defroster, heated front seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.